Good morning, students. In previous class, we are discussing about the general form of equation of line. As you know that the general form of equation of line B, say ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, where a, b, c are constants. Now to find the slope of the general form of equation of line ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. After simplification, its slope is, you know, what is that? Minus a upon b is the slope of the general form of line ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Okay. Now today I am going to deal with most important result, that is angle between two straight lines. Now here the question, to find the angle between two straight lines, say y is equal to m1x plus c1 and y is equal to m2x plus c2. Here m1, m2 are slopes, c1, c2 are constants, not y-intercept value, c1, c2 are constants. Nodri, ಎರಡು ಲೈನ್ equation ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಎರಡು ಲೈನ್ ಒಂದಕ್ಕೊಂದು intersect ಆದಾಗ it will get one angle. What is that angle? Now to find the angle between those two lines. Now look here, let x and y axis, horizontal line is x axis, vertical line is y axis, O is the horizon. If a straight line, first line, say L1, makes an angle say theta 1 with positive direction of x axis, then that is known as slope of line. We write say m1 is equal to tan of theta 1. Okay, a straight line L1 makes an angle theta 1, equation of line is, that is given, y is equal to m1x plus c1. Makes an angle theta 1 with x axis, that is known as slope of line. We write m1 is equal to tan theta 1. Okay, take another straight line. Let the line L2. Its equation of line is y is equal to m2x plus c2. Makes an angle theta 2 with same direction of x axis, that is also known as slope of straight line. We write say m2 is equal to tan of theta 2. Okay. Now these two lines intersect at this point. Now the question, to find angle, e angle estide calculate maadi. We don't know, we take say theta. Let theta be the angle between two lines L1 and L2. Okay, theta be the angle between two lines L1 and L2. Now from the figure we observe that this angle theta 1 is more than 90 degree, isn't it? Angle theta is less than 90 degree. Theta 2 is also less than 90 degree. These two are acute angle, that is obtuse angle. So from the figure we can write theta plus theta 2 is equal to theta 1. Agutta? Sum of acute angle is equal to obtuse angle. Okay. Now this implies theta is equal to, rearrange theta 1, that theta 2 goes to right side, minus theta 2. Okay. Now operate on both sides by tan. Tan theta is equal to tan of theta 1 minus theta 2. Tan theta is equal to tan of theta 1 minus theta 2. Now that is equal to, put theta 1 is x, theta 2 call it as y, in between minus sign, it is in the form tan of x minus y. You know the formula for compound angle, tan of x minus y is equal to, what is the formula? Tan x means theta 1 minus tan y value is theta 2, divided by 1 plus tan x theta 1 into tan y value theta 2. By using compound angle, tan of a minus b is equal to tan a minus tan b divided by 1 plus tan a into tan b. correct? So instead of a and b, instead of x and y, here theta 1 minus theta 2, that is tan theta 1 minus tan theta 2 divided by 1 plus tan theta 1 into tan theta 2. Okay, now this implies tan theta is equal to the value of tan theta 1 equation 1 m1, tan theta 2 value equation 2 m2 divided by 1 plus m1 into m2. Theta 1 is m1, theta 2 is m2, where m1 m2 are slopes. After substituting the value of m1 and m2 in this result, m1 value m2 value ನಾವು ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ substitute ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ, if m1 minus m2 divided by 1 plus m1 m2 value is positive sign or negative sign. ನೋಡ್ರಿ m1 m2 ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಇದು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಆದರೂ ಬರ್ಬೋದು, ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಆದರೂ ಬರ್ಬೋದು. according as angle theta is acute or obtuse. Observe it. Angle theta is acute or obtuse. If angle theta is acute angle, its value is positive because acute angle lies in which quadrant? First quadrant. In first quadrant all t ratios are positive. Whereas if theta is obtuse angle is more than 90 degree, lies in which quadrant? Second quadrant. In second quadrant sine and cosec are positive, tan is negative. You know that in allied angle, isn't it? So remember, after substituting the value of m1 and m2 in this result, if m1 minus m2 divided by 1 plus m1 m2 value is positive sign or negative sign, according as angle theta is acute or obtuse. Okay, if angle theta is acute angle, its value is positive. If angle theta is obtuse angle, its value is negative. But here observe it, that angle theta is acute or obtuse? Clearly it is acute. Acute andre ಏನು ಬರಬೇಕು ನಮಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರು? Only positive value. So if we require only acute angle between the lines, ನಮಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು only acute angle, not obtuse angle, not negative value, only positive value. So remember, after substituting the value of m1 and m2, if m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2 is positive sign or negative sign, according as angle theta is acute or obtuse. But if we require only acute angle between the lines, ನಮಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಯಾವುದು? acute angle. acute angle ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಏನು ಬರಬೇಕು? ಓನ್ಲಿ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ, ನಾಟ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ. ಹಂಗೆ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬಂದಾಗ ಅದನ್ನು ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಹೇಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? So if we require only acute angle between the lines, therefore by eliminating negative sign, so that by taking the notation modulus of m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. Why we take modulus sign? Because by eliminating negative sign, because modulus of negative value become positive. ನಾವು ಬೇಕಾದ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್, ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬೇಡ. ಹಂಗೆ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಎಲಿಮಿನೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಬೈ ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ಯುಲಸ್ ನೋಟೇಷನ್. ಯು ನೋ ದ ಡೆಫಿನೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಾಡ್ಯುಲಸ್. mod of minus 5 is equal to plus 5. mod of plus 5 is also 5, isn't it? So ಯಾಕೆ mod ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಲ್ಲ, ನಮಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಯಾವುದು? ಓನ್ಲಿ acute angle. acute angle ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನು ಬರಬೇಕು? ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬಂದಿದ್ದನ್ನು ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಬೈ ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ಯುಲಸ್ ನೋಟೇಷನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ tan theta is equal to modulus of m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2, or we can write theta is equal to, we write tan inverse of modulus of m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. So this is the angle between two straight lines. They may be asked in final exam. Now the question, derive the angle between two lines y is equal to m1x plus c1 and y is equal to m2x plus c2, where c1 c2 are constant values, m1 m2 are slopes. So remember that formula, tan theta is equal to modulus of m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 into m2. Okay, I will repeat once again. Find the angle between two lines. Y is equal to m1x plus c1 and y is equal to m2x plus c2, where m1, m2 are slopes, c1, c2 are constants. Let x and y axis, O is the origin. Let the straight line L1 makes an angle theta 1 with positive direction of x axis, that is known as slope of straight line. Mathematically we write m1 is equal to tan theta 1. Call it as equation 1. Consider another line L2. Its equation is y is equal to m2x plus c2. Makes an angle theta 2 with same direction of x axis, that is known as slope of straight line. Symbolically, mathematically we write m2 is equal to tan of theta 2. Since these two lines intersect at this point, now the question to find this angle, we don't know. We take, say, let theta be the angle between two lines L1 and L2. Okay, now from the figure we observe that clearly this is less than 90 degree, that is acute angle. Theta 2 is also less than 90 degree acute angle. Theta 1 is more than 90 degree obtuse angle. From the figure we have theta plus theta 2 is equal to theta 1. Rearrange theta is equal to theta 1, that theta 2 goes to right side, minus theta 2. Operate on both sides by tan. Tan theta is equal to tan of theta 1 minus theta 2. Now put theta 1 is x, theta 2 is y. It is in the form tan of x minus y. Apply compound angle. You know the formula. Tan of x minus y is equal to compound angle, standard result, tan x minus tan y divided by 1 plus tan x into tan y. Instead of x and y, here theta 1 and theta 2, that is tan theta 1 minus tan theta 2 divided by 1 plus tan theta 1 into tan theta 2. Okay. So tan theta is equal to the value of tan theta 1 equation 1, m1, minus tan theta 2 value equation 2, m2, divided by 1 plus tan theta 1 is m1, tan theta 2 is m2. Now, where m1, m2 are slopes, after substituting the value of m1 and m2, if m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1, m2 is positive sign or negative sign, according as angle theta is acute angle or obtuse angle. If angle theta is acute angle, its value is positive. Angle theta is obtuse angle, its value is negative. Obtuse angle banda negative value barutte, acute angle is the positive barutte. But now ಬೇಕಾಗಿರತಕ್ಕಂತ angle ಯಾವುದು? Only acute angle, not obtuse angle. So if we require only acute angle between the lines, so by eliminating negative sign, what can you do? By taking the modulus notation. So tan theta is equal to modulus of m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. Or we can write theta is equal to tan inverse of m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. This is the angle between two straight lines. Remember that formula, most important formula, where m1 m2 are slopes. Suppose if both the slopes are equal, one ವೇಳೆ m1 m2 value ಎರಡು equal ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ, then the lines are parallel. Suppose if product of their slopes m1 m2 is equal to minus 1, then the condition two lines are perpendicular. Remember, if two lines are perpendicular, product of their slopes must be minus 1. If two lines are parallel, slopes are equal. So remember that formula, that is known as angle between two straight lines formula. Tan theta is equal to modulus of m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. Okay, based on this, now to solve the problem, now here first problem. Problem number 1, find the angle between two lines. First one, number 1, say that is 4x plus 5y minus 7 is equal to 0. 4x plus 5y minus 7 is equal to 0, and another line 5x minus 4y, 5x minus 4y plus 7 is equal to 0. Another example, that is root 3x minus y minus 5. Root 3x minus y minus 5 is equal to 0, and x minus root 3y and x minus root 3y minus 6 is equal to 0. 2 mark question. Find the angle between two straight lines. Look here, very simple. First one, given data. Input is 4x plus 5y minus 7 is equal to 0. Second line, 5x minus 4y plus 7 is equal to 0. Clearly it is in the form ax plus by plus c. Here a value 4, b value 5, c value minus 7. Whereas line 2, a value 5, b value minus 4, c value 7. Now you know the formula for angle between two lines, that is tan theta is equal to modulus of m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. m1 m2 are slopes. Now to find the slope, now here slope of line 1. Now slope of first line, slope of line 1, you know the formula. It is in the form ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. You know that slope of line ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is given by the formula minus a upon b. Minus a value 4, b value 5. Call it as m1. Right? Then slope of line 2, same formula. Minus a upon b. Minus a value 5, b value minus 4, minus into minus plus 5 by 4, call it as m2. We got both the slopes. Then apply the formula for angle between two lines. What is the formula? Tan theta is equal to modulus of m1 minus m2 divided by 1 plus m1 m2. Substituting the value, m1 value minus 4 by 5 minus m2 value 5 by 4 divided by 1 plus m1 value minus 4 by 5, m2 value 5 by 4, right? So tan theta is equal to modulus of, in the numerator take the LCM. LCM of these two is 20, 5 4s are, 4 5s are, minus 16 minus 25 divided by 20 whole divided by 5 5 cancel, 4 4 cancel, 1 plus into minus, minus 1. Minus 16 plus 25 minus 16 minus 25 minus 41 by 20 divided by 1 minus 1, 0. So tan theta is equal to any number upon 0, any number divided by 0 not defined, that is infinity. Therefore tan theta value infinity. What is angle theta? Remember that standard angle chart, theta value is 90 degree because tan 90 degrees infinity. Is it tan of 90 degrees infinite value. 2 mark. Clear students? Similarly, second problem nodi. Second problem, given data root 3x minus y minus 5 is equal to 0, line 1, and second line x minus root 3y minus 6 is equal to 0. Clearly it is in the form ax plus by plus c. Here a value root 3, b value minus 1, c value minus 5. Whereas second equation it is in the form ax plus by plus c. Here a value coefficient of x is 1, b value coefficient of y minus root 3, c value minus 6, right? Now to find the slope. Now slope of line 1, first line, you know the formula. What is that? Minus a upon b, right? So minus a value root 3, b value minus 1, minus into minus plus root 3, call it as m1. Then slope of line 2, second line, minus a upon b, minus a value 1, b value minus root 3, minus into minus plus 1 bar root 3, call it as m2. We got both the slopes. Therefore, tan theta is equal to, you know the formula, what is that? Modulus of m1 minus m2 divided by 1 plus m1 m2. Substituting the value, m1 value root 3 minus m2 value 1 bar root 3 divided by 1 plus m1 is root 3, m2 is 1 bar root 3. Right? So in the numerator, take the LCM. LCM of these two is root 3. Here multiply by root 3. Here multiply by 1. Root 3 into root 3, 3 minus 1 divided by root 3 whole divided by root 3 cancel. 1 plus 1, 2 by 1. 2 can be written as 2 by 1. So tan theta is equal to modulus of 3 minus 1, 2 by root 3. If you take multiplication, 1 by 2. That 1 goes to numerator, 2 goes to denominator, 2 cancel. Tan theta is equal to modulus of 1 by root 3 is plus 1 by root 3. Therefore, angle theta, you know the standard angle. Tan of which angle is 1 by root 3? Tan is the angle 1 by root 3 barutte. 30 degree pi by 6. Radian pi by 6. That is nothing but in degree 30 degree. So angle theta is 30 degree. Clear? A plus y upon b is equal to 1. Third problem. Same question. X by a plus y upon b is equal to 1. And x by a minus y upon b is equal to 1. Find the angle between the lines. X by a plus y upon b is equal to 1. And x by a minus y upon b is equal to 1. Now here given x by a can be written as, we can write 1 by a into x. Bari bodala. Here 1 by b into y minus 1 is equal to 0. First line. Okay. Then second line. X by a can be written as 1 by a into x plus minus 1 by b into y minus 1 is equal to 0 because plus into minus minus, right? Clearly it is in the form ax plus by plus c. Here what is a value? A value 1 by a, b value 1 by b, c value minus 1, whereas here a value 1 by a, b value minus 1 by b, c value minus 1, right? Now to find the slope. Slope of line 1, you know the formula. What is that? Minus a upon b. Okay? So minus a value 1 by a, b value 1 by b. That b goes to numerator, minus b by a, call it as m1. Similarly, to find slope of line 2, slope of line 2, same formula, minus a upon b, second line, minus a value 1 by a, b value minus 1 by b, minus minus cancel, that b goes to numerator, b by a, call it as m2. We got both the slopes. Now, angle between two lines is given by the formula. Tan theta is equal to modulus of m1 minus m2 divided by 1 plus m1 m2, right? Substituting the value. m1 value minus b by a minus m2 value b by a divided by 1 plus m1 value minus b by a, m2 value plus b by a, right? So simplify, that is equal to, in the numerator take the LCM. LCM is a, multiply by 1, here multiply by 1, minus b minus 2b by a, right? Minus 2b by a. See, tan theta is equal to modulus of LCM is A minus B minus 2B upon A whole divided by 1 plus into minus B into B square divided by A into A square. That is minus 2B by A whole divided by, in the denominator take the LCM. LCM is A square, that is A square minus B square by A square, right? So that is equal to modulus of minus 2B upon A. If you take multiplication, that is A square divided by A square minus B square, right? So 1A cancel, that is tan theta is equal to modulus of minus 2AB divided by A square minus B square. That is tan theta is equal to, remove the modulus sign, plus 2AB divided by A square minus B square, correct? Therefore, angle theta, this is not standard angle, so we can write tan inverse of 2AB divided by A square minus B square. So this is general form. So angle between two lines theta is equal to tan inverse of 2AB divided by A square minus B square. Okay. Now similarly one more problem is fourth problem. Find the angle between the lines y is equal to x plus 7 and 2 plus root 3 into x plus y is equal to 11. Look here. Now given data, rearrange. X plus 7 is equal to y, or x minus y plus 7 is equal to 0. Here 2 plus root 3 into x plus y minus 11 is equal to 0. Equation 2. Clearly it is in the form ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Here a value coefficient of x 1, b value minus 1, c value 7, whereas line 2 a value 2 plus root 3, b value coefficient of y 1, c value minus 11. Now first to find the slope. Now slope of line 1. Slope of line 1. What is the formula? Minus a upon b. Minus a value 1, b value minus 1, minus into minus plus 1. Call it as m1. Okay. Then slope of line 2. Slope of second line. Slope of line 2. Again same formula, minus a upon b minus second line 2 plus root 3, b value 1, call it as m2. We got both the slopes. Okay. Now apply angle between two lines. What is the formula? Tan theta is equal to modulus of m1 minus m2 divided by 1 plus m1 m2. Substituting the value, m1 value 1 minus m2 value minus of 2 plus root 3 by 1 divided by 1 plus m1 is 1, m2 is minus of 2 plus root 3 by 1, right? Simplify. Modulus of 1 minus into minus plus 2 plus root 3 divided by 1 plus into minus minus 2 minus into plus minus root 3. Okay. So further simplify. Tan theta is equal to modulus of 1 plus 2 3 plus root 3 divided by 1 minus 2 minus 1 minus root 3, right? So that is in the numerator 3 plus root 3, take root 3 common. Numerator root 3 common ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ, root 3 plus 1 ಆಗುತ್ತಾ? ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. root 3 into root 3 3, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? plus root 3 into 1 root 3 divided by, in the denominator take minus sign common, minus common ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ root 3 plus 1, verify. Minus root 3 is there? Yes. Minus into plus minus 1 is there? Yes. So root 3 plus 1, root 3 plus 1 cancel. Tan theta is equal to modulus of minus root 3. So tan theta is equal to, remove the modulus sign, modulus of minus root 3 is plus root 3. Therefore, angle theta is equal to, it is standard angle. Tan of which angle is root 3? You know, ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. Tan ಇದು ಯಾವ angle root 3 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? How much? 60 degree, that is pi by 3 in degree 60 degree. So in this problem, angle between two lines is, theta value is pi by 3 radian or 60 degree. Clear? So remember that formula. Angle between two lines is given by the formula tan theta is equal to modulus of m1 minus m2 divided by 1 plus m1 m2. Derivation most important, you should practice it. Then practice ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ನೀವು. Okay, so based on angle between two lines by solving 4 problems. Clear students? Okay, thank you.